because I don't want to see all this writing, I'm going to take and put some washi tape behind it. I'm not sure which one. I like them all. Let's see. That one's going to be a little big. That one's going to be close all the way around, ain't it? So the bigger one may work. How about that one? So what I'm going to do on this side right now is just put my washi tape, if I can figure out how to get it started. I'm sure this is where I always mess it up. And then as you get started and it goes around, it breaks on you. Oh, this one's nice. So I got this on Amazon if you're looking for it. I will put some links below. Let's see. Put this one this way. So washi tape is a good thing to use when you're using book pages like this that you really are not sure you want showing to everybody, or let's see. You know, if you can cut it straight, it helps too. Okay, and what I'm going to do with this little piece, I'm just going to stick it over here. And then as we go along, we can dirty it up and make it look old. Let's see if I can get this one without too much trouble. So I'm already enjoying this. This has been a fun project, and I'm just getting started. I'm not much of a journaling person, although I love to make them. So that is the one thing I do. And this time I'm trying to incorporate it to where I'm actually making it, but I'm also using it too. So just like we did with the other pages, we're just going to glue this on. This could be called ephemera. It could be a page. Depends on how you want to look at it for this little section. Since I'm putting it on a page, I guess I could call it a page. That looks good. I like that. So then I can come back and do something on this side. I do have this that I could put on there. But I was thinking about putting this somewhere else. Maybe here. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. And I'm not going to put any, I may do some stamping on this later, so I'm not going to put any I'm not going to put any distress ink on it yet. So I have been going around looking for different stuff. I have 2 of those. I could put the same one, but I really don't want to. I have this. I could put like this and have it open. We could put some more stuff right there. I think that would look cool. So what I'm doing is looking around the house, trying to find stuff that, you know, might go in here, might not. You got all kinds of stuff. So we could still stick something right there to cover this up. So here's some more stuff that I've got. This would look nice on there. Or this. Now I have some stuff. This may be the only one right now that's from Sunflower Indoors. I did a team project for her a couple years ago, and I used some of her stuff. But see, I've got this that I stamped on some book page, flower things, old envelopes. This is from a calendar, just some scraps of paper. So Let me see what I want to do here. I do kind of like that right there. And then we could put something like that maybe. Or have these sunflowers. I did find these sunflowers that somebody had sent me, so those would be nice. See that right there is bugging me. I could put this right there. No, I think I want that. What could I do? Kind of like that. I'm looking for different papers, but obviously don't have any. Let me pull some out from over here. That's pretty, but I don't think it quite goes. That's too fall for me. That's kind of dark too. Or I had this pocket. Some more seeds. Another pocket. A card. Look at that. I kind of like that. Well, put it right there, it would show. I'm going to let it sit there for a minute. Sometimes I just let them sit while I'm busy putting everything else together. And this is what my desk looks like when I get started. So I did want to look at some of these, but they definitely need inking before I put them on there because they're too white. And I don't know where they came from. I did a lot of swaps and stuff, and this was just in the pile. Where did the other one go? I think something that would look cute would be maybe like this. I could put that right there, but I was thinking about, since there's all these seed things, it's just maybe collaging them on here some kind of way and make them stand out, because I've got a lot. I think that would be a really nice thing on this one page. So let's do that real quick. Grab my glue thing. And you can find these on my website, and I'll put the link below. It's Scribe Studios on Etsy. It's separate from the bags, so it's totally digital, whereas my bags are, I like that little bit right there. I'm going to put that under. So my bags are on Cargo Stitch Co., where my digitals are over at Scribe Studio. Just when I first started, people were getting confused. I'm going to leave that where it hangs out. And I do want a little bit of that shining. So let's see. One thing that I forget when I'm collaging is that things layer up on each other, and I don't know, I struggle with that sometimes. Put that right there. So I'm trying to decide if I want to leave any of the brown I have these little tiny ones too. I could put something like that right there. Or I've got some bigger ones. I got a stamp. Okay, go right there. And since I'm using glue stick, I can pull these back up if I don't like them. I'm going to say, nope, I don't like you. You're coming off there. Let's see. Does your desk ever get to looking like this? I usually try and keep it straighter, cleaner, but for me to see all these, I kind of need them thrown out here like this. About that one. So I'm just trying to fill in the holes and get some layers going here. So this is more the problem that I have. So I'm getting to layering these up, and I'm thinking, put that one right there. I'll turn it sideways. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to turn the other way. No. See if I can get one of them up. Let's do it that way so they're both not going the same direction. So I could put this right there or this, but I'm thinking I want to go ahead and finish out with some of this just so I have a cute one that would look good right under there, I think. Maybe sticking out. So leave me a note in the comments. Let me know what you're looking for as far as what I'm making and stuff. Some pockets, flip outs, stuff like that. Today I'm just playing around and trying to, let's see how they're covering up each other. I do want something right there. I think that would look better. And I'm going to tell you, I will be coming back to this page to add more stuff later. So it's not going to be done when I turn video off. I want some lace on it, maybe. I usually come back 2 or 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, just so I can, because I just want it to feel right. So see, this piece of paper is already stronger, and I can just darken that up right there and leave that stuck out if I want, or I can cut it off to match. So I like that. I don't know what else I want to put on there. Right now, probably nothing. Okay, I'm going to do one other thing, and then we're going to stop here. I was going to put in a belly band. So I've got these, and I'm just going to glue it down to this paper and make a belly band right here. Let's see if I can get it up here. All it is like a bookmark kind of strip thing. Actually, I'm on the other side. That way, if anything pokes out, I can leave it. Yeah, let's just leave it towards showing that green since we're doing a themed. Y'all, I can't cut straight for nothing, so So what I'm going to do, I just glued that down to make it stronger because it was just on regular paper. I'm going to glue this top and the bottom, and then we can stick some stuff in here. I do have a few more of these, and I'm going to glue them on something and do page flips or something, you know, like this. Actually, I'll go ahead and stick that one on for right now. That way I know where it's at. And then next time we'll do some page flips and stuff. We'll put that on a board on something different. So, see, here's another one. Could actually do it this way and have both of them flip. So I don't feel like I did a whole lot today, but we did. We put this down. We did an envelope glued down, and I'm not sure about that. And that's why I like to just put stuff in here and paper clip it or washi tape it, because I'm still thinking, what am I going to do with it? I had this. That's just a pretty cool thing too to go with my brown paper bag that I could put somewhere. You know, cut it in half. Put it over here. And I'm going to stick some stuff in here while we're gone. That way you can already see how it's starting to use itself. Right there. We can put some in here. And then when I come back, I don't know where it's at, maybe. Save this green piece. And with this, you could fold this over and have a little closure, maybe put some Velcro or something on there. But I'm going to cover up that envelope, that thing. I like this. I'm going to look for some more pages and other stuff to go in here. That way I'm not using just the kit. I want to use a little bit of everything. I may use some of this. I've got this. I know I said I was leaving a while ago, so I'm glad you stopped by. I hope that you might have learned a little bit today. If not, at least maybe got some company. I kept you company for a while. I enjoy just listening to people as they work. So if you're new here, leave me a comment, whether you're new or not, and hit the subscribe button so you'll get the next video as it comes out. We'll be doing more stuff in our April section right here, and see how it's already looking good. So I'm excited. But thank you and have a great day.